Today I am going to take the topic management of e-wastes. Many of electronic items are stored due to uncertainty of how to manage it. These electronic scraps lie unattended in house, office, warehouses, etc. Normally, e-waste is mixed with the household wastes which are finally disposed of at landfills. This necessitates implementable management measures. Management of e-waste can be done by waste minimization techniques and by sustainable product design. Waste minimization in industry involves the steps inventory management, production process modification, volume reduction, recovery and reuse, and the last one is sustainable product design. So, the first point is inventory management. Proper control over the material used in the manufacturing process is an important way to reduce waste generation. By reducing both the quantity of hazardous materials used in the process and the amount of excess raw material in stock, the quantity of waste generated can be reduced. Inventory management procedure for waste reduction must ensure that only the needed quantity of a material is ordered. This will be required the establishment of a strict inventory tracking system. The next point is production process modification. Changes can be made in the production process which will reduce waste generation. This reduction can be accomplished by changing the materials used to make the product or by the more efficient use of input material in the production process. For both improvements in the operation of maintenance of process equipment can result in significant waste reduction. So, hazardous materials used in either a product formulation or a product process may be replaced with the less hazardous or non-hazardous materials. This is a very widely used technique and is applicable to most manufacturing processes. Implementation of this waste reduction technique may require only some minor process adjustments or it may require process techniques. The next point is volume reduction. Volume reduction includes those techniques that remove the hazardous portion of a waste from a non-hazardous portion. These techniques are usually to reduce the volume and thus the cost of disposing of a waste material. For example, waste contain different type of cells can be treated separately so that the metal value in the sludge can be recovered. Concentration of a waste stream may increase the likelihood that the material can be recycled or reused. The next point is recovery and reuse. This technique could eliminate waste disposal cost, reduce raw material cost and provide income from a saleable waste. Waste can be recovered on site or an off-site recovery facility or through inter-industry exchange. For example, a printed circuit board manufacturers can use electric recovery to reclaim method from copper and tin lead plating bait. So, the last and final point is sustainable product design. Minimization of hazardous waste should be made at product design stage itself. Effort should be made to design a product which is favor amount of hazardous materials. For example, the effort to reduce in some new computer designs and are flatter, lighter and more integrated. So, these techniques we can manage our e-waste easily and we can make a green earth soon. These are the 5 points of e-waste management. So, the points I just remembering once again. The points are inventory management, production process modification, volume reduction, recovery and reuse, sustainable product design. Thank you everyone.